Fettuccine and lentil bolognese. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 8 button mushrooms, finely dice 1 carrot, finely dice 2 celery sticks, finely dice 1 onion, finely chop 4 garlic cloves. Heat a pan over a high heat, add the onion and saute until soft. Add the carrot and the celery and saute for a minute. Add the garlic, add the mushrooms and saute until the mushrooms wilt. Add 3 cups of tinned tomatoes and stir. Add 1 tablespoon of raw sugar, add 1 cup of red lentils, add 2 cups of vegetable stock, add 1 bay leaf and stir. Simmer for about 20 minutes until the lentils are soft. Add more stock if necessary. Add the fettuccine or spaghetti to boiling water. When the lentils are soft, add salt and pepper to taste, stir well. Serve by pouring the sauce over the cooked pasta with some fresh basil.